Hey there, welcome to my another tutorial on Windows 10. In this tutorial I will show you how to solve number keys not working in Windows 10 or 11. This is a common issue and so easy to fix. Just follow my instructions. To fix this, go to search bar and type control panel. After appearing the control panel, click on it. Now find out Easy on Access Center and click on it.
Always scan this section.
After that, click on Make the keyboard easier to use. Now uncheck Turn on mouse keys. And then click on Apply and click on OK. That's it. And your problem is solved. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.